480. GLTECH is an international high-tech company with a total investment of $42.4 million, factory plant area of 17,000 square meters, and has more than 500 employees in China. The company is committed to the research and development, production, sales, and service of the IoT monitoring and control for safety production business. The main products including IoT sensors, laser sensors, wireless communication, energy-saving and environmental protection intelligent equipment, industrial control intelligent equipment, explosion-proof and intrinsic safety intelligent equipment, intelligent coal mine, power plant safety monitoring platform, etc. Our products have intellectual property rights with 295 patents and 40 software copyrights. We have also obtained ISO 9001, 14001, 45001 certifications. GLTECH has own R&D team with 150 engineers, complete lean production lines and laboratories, strict quality control process, as well as domestic and foreign after-sales service teams to ensure that we provide customers with quality products, professional service, and competitive prices. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Please feel free to contact our customer service center about your sourcing requirements, whether you want to select a product from our product catalog or seeking assistance for your application.
Hi, this is Yan Hu, the General Manager of GLTECH Group. GLTECH is the China-based international high-tech company listed in Shenzhen stock market. We have accumulated 28 years in the field of intelligent equipment. We are making great effort to develop a new product to meet different customer needs. We welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us and to build success together. Thank you.